Most of us are still using traditional laundry soap to make our clothes smell fresh and clean, and while they're obviously effective, they come at a big price, and not just what you see on the sticker at the store. Conventional laundry soaps often contain toxic chemicals with a wide range of negative effects, including everything from skin irritation to carcinogenicity. And, frighteningly, in 2011, researchers from the University of Washington found that dryer vents can emit over 25 volatile organic compounds when scented laundry soap and dryer sheets are used, including 7 that are classified as hazardous air pollutants. The average family does about 8 loads of wash every week, or over 400 loads every year, which means around 17.5 billion cups of laundry detergent are being used each year in the US alone. That's a lot of chemicals to come in contact with. Not only can you come in contact with these toxic chemicals by wearing your clothing that's been laundered with them, but you're also probably breathing them into your lungs when they become airborne while you're doing your laundry. Some of the worst offenders when it comes to laundry chemicals include sodium lauryl sulfate (SLS), sodium lauryl sulfate (SLES), 1,4-dioxane, NPE, nonylphenol ethoxylated, phosphates. These chemicals aren't just potentially damaging to your health, but they are also harming the health of our environment and contaminating our waterways. The Journal of Oleoscience reported that a laundry detergent concentration of only 2 ppm can cause fish to absorb double the amount of chemicals they would ordinarily absorb. The accumulation of these compounds in our waterways and groundwater is having a significant negative effect on our wildlife. According to the Environmental Working Group's Skin Deep Cosmetic Safety Reviews, research studies on laundry detergent chemicals like SLS have shown an association with everything from minor to major health issues, like skin and eye irritation, organ toxicity, developmental or reproductive toxicity, possible mutations, cancer, endocrine disruption, neurotoxicity, and biochemical or cellular changes. How to replace your laundry detergent with soap nuts. Thankfully, there are soap nuts. Soap nuts, which may also be referred to as soap berries, are an all-natural alternative to potentially harmful laundry detergents, and they have a number of other uses too. This berry-like fruit grows on the Sapindus mucorosae tree, native to India and the Himalayas. The berries produce a soap called saponin, which operates as a natural surfactant. The soap nut shell absorbs water and releases the saponins which circulate in the wash water, freeing dirt, grime, and oils from clothing. Soap nuts can also be used to clean dishes, as a shampoo to wash your hair, or for surface cleaning. They're 100% natural and biodegradable and don't contain any pesticides, as insects are naturally repulsed by saponins, so there is no need to use them in cultivation. They are completely safe for septic systems, gentle for use on sensitive skin, including baby clothes, and are also antimicrobial. Are you enjoying the video so far? If you do, like and share it with your friends. And leave a comment with suggestions below. Where to buy soap nuts? Soap nuts are rapidly gaining in popularity as more and more consumers realize what a great natural laundry detergent alternative they are. You may find soap nuts in your local natural grocery store, but they are also abundant online, particularly on Amazon. How to use soap nuts for laundry. To use them as laundry soap, place 5 to 6 soap nuts in a muslin bag. You can buy wash bags designed for soap nuts as well. Alternatively, many of the soap nuts you buy on Amazon come with a wash bag. You can wash at any temperature, although higher temperatures tend to be more effective as the heat aids in releasing the saponins. After washing, remove the bag or sock and allow it to dry. They can be used several times, until the shells become soft and gray, or test them by squeezing when wet. If you can squeeze out a foamy, honey-like liquid, they can be used again. It's best to use new soap nuts for heavy and/or, especially dirty loads. How much cheaper is it? Online at the time of writing, Tide Pods liquid laundry detergent packs are selling at a price that yields a cost per load of 23 cents. In comparison, purchasing a 1-pound bag of soap nuts from online yields a cost per load of less than 8 cents. Buying a 2-pound bag yields a cost per load of just over 6 cents, and buying a 4-pound bag yields a cost of less than 5 cents. Consider teaming up with a friend, family member, or neighbor and buying soap nuts in bulk to enjoy the significant savings, the brilliant environmental benefits, and the other brilliant uses for soap nuts we share below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.